Hi, my name's Gili. Today I'm going to show you my homemade Kneidlach. This is my great grandmother Bobbie. She's going to help me make Kneidlach. These are the ingredients: schmaltz, eggs, salt, and Matza Meal.
Okay, Gili, first we're going to crack the egg. Okay, and we're going to put it in the glass. Right, now put it in the bowl. Good. Now we're going to take, this is a tablespoon. We're going to take a tablespoon of, this is called schmaltz. Okay, and we're going to put it in the bowl. And Gili is going to mix it together. All right, that's fine. That's good, it's coming nice. Okay, now we just stop a minute. We're going to put some salt. That's fine for the salt. Okay, can I just finish it off quickly? Now we're going to put some Matza Meal. So let's put 1, 2, 3. Now give that a mix. Mix it round and round. That's very good. But we need to put some more. Okay, let's put some more. Alright, there you go.
I added some salt to water and now it's boiling.
And now we're taking this mixture and we're rolling it into balls like this. Okay, Gili? Fine. Now we're going over to the pot. Now we're going to drop these balls into the boiling water one at a time. Okay, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we put the lid back on and leave it for 20 minutes.
Now it's time to taste the Kneidlach. Yummy! Bye! Have a happy Pesach!